ito yung table. Ito yung photo booth. Pero, hindi pa po ready. Ayan, gold talaga. Gold po ang motif. Gilberto's Catering. May lechon. Hi, sir. Ay. Thank you.
Again, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. Okay, our first number, yes.
Bar. Nice.
Additional na cooler. Repeater and cooler. From
Nanalo.
Electric Candle with Fire.
Ayan na po. Ayan ang pinanalunan. Thank you. Ayan.
Oh, thank you so much for that. Okay guys, listen everyone. For our first game, I need 4 participants. Ayan. For our first game, I need 4. Okay! For our marshmallow chopstick relay. In 3, 2, 1, go! Naka-chopstick lang po Sino kaya? Mas pwede makakanisip.
Taasan daw po. Taasan.
In 1 minute, go!
Ay, naku. 1 minute po pala. Galing
Go guys! You only have
pinakamataas ang
35 seconds left. Go, habang tayo. Go! 20 seconds left. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time is up. Okay. Okay, time is up. Okay, clear. Clear tayo dito, Miss Kesha. I need your assistance. Ayan. Para po, clear po tayo kasi winner na So, nakabuhat si Sir din ng 4 levels in body. Congratulations, sir! Yan, para naman yung last Sir din. And for the participants, thank you so much. You can take your seat now. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you so much.
Kakainin na. Congrats, sir.
And concert department.
Ganda ng costume niyo, madam ah.
Thank you.
Pang Miss Universe.
Thank you po.
Please na po na tayo. Thank you so much for watching now. Get ready sa ating pong susunod na intermission number, which is from Concerts with Partners. Ay, palakpakan po natin sila.
At ang lechon po ay ready na.
Merry Christmas po sa inyo. Yes, sa mga presidente po. Merry Christmas. Thank you, Merry Christmas. Now let's proceed for our raffle.
Ayan, may nanalo na.
Ayan, congratulations po. Next raffle. Yeah. Ah, okay. Hello, ma'am. Congratulations. To receive induction. Yes. 6 India. 6 I. Okay. Ayan, congratulations po. Thank you. Another raffle. Congratulations, Cluster 1. Ano yung makakuha ni Cluster 1? Okay, set of utensils, kitchen utensils. Cluster 1, 8, Q. Wow, congratulations. Please join us here and receive your raffle. Kailangan mo ba yun, ma'am? Sana po ma-appreciate niyo yung aking raffle system. Okay, another set of raffle. Yeah, congratulations, ma'am. Okay, once again, we'd like to please invite everyone to join us here para po sa inyong group picture po. For number 2 or opportunity natin na naging para makita natin kung sino kumata ng 2020. Yes, okay. And po lahat po ng unit owners po natin, please samahan niyo po kami dito sa pinagapan. Hello po, ay nagkabit po sa last table po. Yan, samahan niyo po kami dito sa yan. Again, I invite everyone to proceed to the front para sa third opportunity para sa ating lahat. Kasi baka yung iba umuwi na, hindi namin nakasama sa total opportunity for this year and part of 2022. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love and the way you look This is all the way you look at me. Oh, this will be only one I see. Feels very, very extraordinary. Is even more than anyone that you adore and love. Is all that I can give. What's up to you? Is a perfect just give to you. Love can make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it. We can do it.
Congratulations, sir. So, picture tayo. That's for 2
Congrats, Ma'am Lorna. Opo. Ba't wala po nila? Kami muna po muna. Ganda eh.
Siguro hindi na kailangan. India. At the count of 5, 4, 3,
Nanalo na po. Sa raffle, ang daming prizes. Opo, may mga stove, may ako nga po nanalo na eh. One of the first na nanalo kanina pa po. Ito po yung akin nakuha, electric kettle. Okay, cookware. Congrats, ma'am.
Before I announce that, gusto ko muna imbitahan na lahat ng members to ating presentation ng ating mobile bar.
Kaibigan, may dalawa pa. Yung isa pa sa
Ano po ginawa ni sir?
Thank you. Straight nyo na lang, sir.
Apoy-apoy.
Sir, grapes ako. Okay. Nakaisang orange juice, suya. Wala, sir.
Okay, one more left.
Mixing. Ayan na. Ayan na ang shaker. Okay. Wow. So that's the blue margarita. Hi. Oh my Lord. Subscribe. Welcome to my vlog.